Hello and welcome to our first math lesson. During this lesson we will talk about numbers and their properties. We will discuss different solving strategies and will solve some typical GMAT problems. The integers are the counting numbers. For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, integers can be both positive and negative. There is an infinite number of positive and negative integers. All numbers, not only integers but other numbers as well, are divided into positive and negative numbers. The only number that is neither positive nor negative is 0. On the real number line, the positive numbers are all to the right of 0 and the negative numbers are all to the left of 0. Remember that 0 is neither negative nor positive. The sum of any two opposite numbers is 0, such as 2 plus -2 equals 0. Now try to solve the following question. It is rather simple and should not take you more than a minute. Pause the video for about a minute or a minute and a half. Okay, hope you could answer this question correctly. In data sufficiency questions, as you remember, we need to evaluate each statement on its own, and then, if neither statement alone is sufficient, try to combine them. By adding y to both sides of an inequality given in statement 1, we get x is greater than y plus n, so all we know is that x is greater than n. However, we cannot determine whether y is greater or smaller than n. You can double check this by picking numbers. For example, 5 is greater than 1 plus 3. Here n is greater than y. But 5 is greater than 3 plus 1. Here n is smaller than y. Since we cannot determine whether y is greater than n, statement 1 alone is not sufficient. We can therefore eliminate choices A and D. Statement 2 gives no information which would allow us to compare x or y to n. All it says is that y is greater than x,